Let's talk about the cost of whitening your teeth at a dentist. Can you afford it? The real question is, how can you not afford it? It is a known fact that the better you look, the broader your smile, the more successful you will be. People are attracted to beautiful smiles. But let's talk about the cost in dollars. If you wanted to try and do it yourself, the easiest thing to start with are the white strips at home. They range anywhere between 40 and 80 bucks, depends upon the company and how many you buy. When you come to us in the office for a whitening treatment, the cost can be anywhere between $350 to $1,000. And essentially you're paying for the chair time and the expertise of the dentist. If you wanted your dentist to make you some whitening trays that you can use at home, again, the cost can range anywhere from $250 to $500. And of course, watch for the mailers from your dentist, because sometimes we all do run spring cleaning specials and summer specials on tooth whitening. If you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for some more dental advice.